AI photo editing is everywhere these days. You've probably seen background removers, face filters, even AI fashion try-ons. The problem is, editing images one by one takes too long. But with the R-Edit formula, AI can batch edit hundreds of images in seconds. Let's start with something practical: product photo editing for an online store. Here's how the sheet is set up. In column A, I've pasted links to my raw product photos. In column B, I typed Twarnetwan image A2 to preview the original product. In column C, I've typed the background style I want. Now in D2, let's run the edit. The formula is edit, change background to NC2 A2. Here's what it means. C2 tells AI which style to match. A2 is my original product image. When I hit enter, AI generates a new image URL. Double-click to apply all. Now let's try something more advanced. Fashion catalog images. Here, I want to combine three references: a fixed model photo, a fixed pose image, and different outfit images. Now in C5, type edit, dress the model with the outfit, and match the body pose. A $2 to $2 A5. Now just drag down, and every outfit gets applied to the same model and pose automatically. Perfect for building a fashion catalog or marketing content. And that's how you can use Edit for bulk image editing. In seconds, you've batch edited dozens of photos. No Photoshop, no manual clicks. E-commerce teams can remove or standardize product backgrounds. Marketing teams can generate style variations for campaigns. And for personal use, you can even create fun edits with friends and family. One reminder, the generated image URLs expire in 7 days, so make sure to bulk download them if you need to keep them. Want to try this yourself? Install AI for Sheets. Link is in the description. Which bulk edit would save you the most time? Drop your answer in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI tricks in Google Sheets.